Let's see what's in the box. Light strips, control box, double-sided tape, threading line, control box, crowbar. Step 1. Remove the long dashboard trim panel. Step 2. Apply double-sided tape to the vent light strip. Identify the position of the thread ends. Step 3. Peel off the backing from the double-sided tape. Step 4. Align and attach the vent light strip to the trim panel. Step 5. Remove the waterproof seal. Step 6. Remove the right front door dashboard trim panel. Step 7. Detach the clip securing the door sill trim. Step 8. Remove the door sill trim. Step 9. Use black electrical tape to secure the pull cord and the loose ends of the light strip. Insert the tow cable from this position, as shown in the video, to the passenger side trim panel location. Remove the tape. Step 10. Properly connect the power adapter cable. Step 11. The control box ambient light plug is inserted into the light strip cable. Step 12. The control box power plug is inserted into the power cable. Step 13. Replace all covers to complete the installation.